Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with MetLife for renter and auto insurance sign up. Quick tutorials. Start by visiting the MetLife website in your web browser. On the home page, locate the insurance section in the main menu. Hover over or click on insurance to reveal the drop-down menu. Select auto and home insurance from the options provided. Once redirected, look for the Get a Quote button and click on it. You will be taken to a new page requesting some basic information. Fill in your zip code and select whether you want auto or renter insurance. Click Get a Quote to proceed. Next, provide the requested details about yourself, including your name, address, and contact information. For auto insurance, enter your vehicle details such as make, model, and year. For renter insurance, specify the size and value of your rental property. Continue following the prompts to provide any additional information needed. Review the preliminary quote offered based on the information you input. If satisfied, look for the Start Your Application button and click it. Create an account if prompted, or log in if you already have an existing account. After logging in, you will need to review and confirm your details. Complete any additional questions regarding coverage options and payment methods. Select your preferred payment plan to proceed. Finally, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation of your registration and next steps via email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.